Okay, here's the last equation to solve using the quadratic formula. Remember, to use the quadratic formula, though, we have to have a quadratic equation that equals 0. We've got to move that 14r over. Let's do that by subtracting 14r from both sides. So here we go. And on the left side, we're going to tuck that 14r right in between the r squared and the 4, because that's where it belongs. Okay, and our trusty dusty formula, in this case it's r equals opposite b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, let's tuck them in. Opposite b in this case now, since we had a negative 14r, is positive 14. Plus or minus the square root of 14 squared minus 4. A is, in this case, 1, and C is positive 4. All over 2a, and a, once again, is 1. Alright, so we've got 14 plus or minus. You know what? 14 squared, if you square that out, you get 196. Minus 4ac, so negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. All over 2a, so that's 2. Okay, let's bring it over here. And what we have is 14 plus or minus the square roots of 180 all over 2. Alright, we got to factor that 180 using the factor tree. So I've got 2 and 90, I've got 2 and 45, 3 and 15, and I've got 3 and 5. A pair of 2's and a pair of 3's. So that means 2 times 3 comes out from under the radical. I've got 14 plus or minus 2 times 3 is 6 times the square root of 5 over 2. So I can split that up into 2 parts because this is a common denominator. So I've got 14 over 2 plus or minus 6 root 5 over 2. 14 divided by 2, of course, is 7, plus or minus. And then I've got 3. Well, you know what? 2 goes into 6 3 times. So this is going to be 3 root 5. Now you could write it that way, or another way you can write it, if you want, is 7 plus 3 root 5, comma, 7 minus 3 root 5. Either way would be acceptable. And there you have it. Now here's your assignment. It's a worksheet, and you could write that on your homework calendar. And good luck. I'm sure you're going to do great.